Hello everybody. We're hanging out here in Zestiria, and what in the world is this guy doing? He looks pretty suspicious, fondling the wall here. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. It's a little creepy, to be honest. But so is the translations in this game. So today we're going to look at another cringe-worthy, terrible translation and try to explain what it should have been. So I want to welcome you. Hope you're all having a great day. And here's the scene where I don't know what scrawny little duckling means either. I'm not sure why that phrase was put in there, because he didn't say that either. I could do another whole episode on that, but yeah, his hair kind of looks like a duckling, I suppose. Maybe that's why. Who knows? So yeah, if you're just joining me, this game reeks of terrible translations and they're putting stuff in people's mouths. Here's the scene. And oh my word, what is this? Money talks and horse crap walks? What does that even mean? I mean, have you ever seen horse crap walking? That has to be the most disturbing thing I've ever heard of. Well, anyway, that's not what he said, of course. What he said here in Japanese is Yohei de wa kane de ugoku monda, which is mercenaries only move or do things for money. And, ugoku is the Japanese for move, so it sounds strange, kind of move for money. So a more proper translation is, just do things or, get hired. So mercenaries only do things for money, is what he said. If you give me some money, I'll do something for you. And yeah, I don't know how that translates into horse crap walks. I've honestly never seen horse crap walking, and I honestly looked on Google for a while to find a picture for you guys, but yeah, I couldn't find a picture of horse crap walking around. And anyway, that's pretty disgusting, so... Yeah, that's today's terrible English. And I hope you never use it in your usual life. So, what kind of rating do we get with this one today? I think this terrible expression deserving of 20 toilets out of 10, because we're just getting worse and worse here. And enough poo to fill the Grand Canyon, pretty much. So hey, some advice: if you see some horse crap walking around, just turn around and run the other way. Trust me, it's not something you want to deal with. Horse crap walking? What in the world? I guess it could be some new creature or monster in the Biohazard series. Maybe in Biohazard 10 we'll have horse crap monsters walking around.